that's something which is very much underestimated these days. Even if you have a YouTube channel that is still in its early stages and still growing, it still doesn't hurt to have what's called affiliate links in the description box underneath. And that's something that you've been doing for quite a while, probably before the channel really took off and exploded, by having affiliate links for HubSpot and a lot of other platforms, which even now are generating passive income for you as your audience has begun to grow upwards. And something that we've spoken about quite extensively off camera has been that lesson of delayed gratification, a harder today for an easier tomorrow, which may only pay off 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the track. And it's something that's worked incredibly well for you.
You don't need a big following. You don't need a huge audience. You know, there's other ways to monetize your brand. And that's kind of what I did in the beginning. It was generating leads through those videos. There's also affiliate links, like you mentioned. And you only need a few clicks, a few conversions, a few leads per month to actually create a full-time income.